What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing well. I am back with another video specifically to talk about iOS 14. Now, I ran a poll on Twitter and my YouTube community page to see which video you guys would want to see next, and this was one of the more requested videos, so today I wanted to give you a quick rundown of the best iOS 14 rumored features that are rumored to come to the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch in the next few weeks at WWDC 2020 in late June. Now, I will be doing more in-depth reviews when the beta software is released, but for now, I just wanted to touch on some of the most exciting rumored features coming soon to iOS. So let's roll the intro. So welcome, guys. In this video, like I said, I'm going to be running down the list of iOS 14 rumored features from Mac Rumors, as they really did a good job of compiling all of the rumored features into one list. I will have their full list linked in the description if you would like to check it out. Now, as a quick update before I run through the rumored iOS 14 features, I've started compiling some good deals and rewards for you guys as a thank you for supporting my channel, and I wanted to share the tech that I'm currently using with you as well, so the links to all of these items will be in the description. Check them out and give them a click if you are interested. And of course, as usual, I very much appreciate it when you guys give this video a thumbs up. Definitely click that like button, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter and social media, so links are in the description to all of that, and we can all be friends. Thank you, guys. So starting off here, as you can see, the iOS 14 release date is expected to be September 2020, but iOS 14 will be previewed at WWDC 2020 on June 22nd in an entirely virtual event this year. This is due to COVID-19. Now, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, as Apple releases beta software to their developers early each year, and I do pay for a developer account, so I will be installing this beta software of iOS 14, and I will have a full hands-on review of all of the betas and feature breakdowns for you guys coming in the next few weeks. Super excited about that, and I love testing out the new Apple software early, so definitely stick around for that. Now, the first beta should be released around the time of WWDC on June 22nd to developers, and I'll be uploading those videos as the betas are released. Leave me a comment below with your favorite rumored iOS features, or features that you would like to see when they preview iOS 14 in a few weeks. I'm interested to hear your feedback. So getting to the rumored features, let's scroll down on the Mac Rumors website. As you can see, the list view for apps, similar to the Apple Watch on the home screen, and a category view and an alphabetical view is one of the first rumored features. Very, very cool there. Would be nice to see. Also, Apple could bring iOS 14 widgets on the home screen, similar to Velo Reloaded, the jailbreak tweak, which is a great feature, and it works great on the iPad already on the home screen, and functionality will only get better. So I'm excited to see that one. Now, they also list improvements to the fitness app here to download workout videos and routines, which is very, very nice if people like to do workouts within the app itself. On the fitness app, it actually gives you more functionality there. Some of the features that I'm most excited for are new features for messages, as you can see on the section here on their website. So a couple of the new features that I will actually run through that they list here on the website is tagging contacts in iMessage. You can also mute group conversations except those where you're mentioned using this tagging feature. They also will have the ability to delete and retract messages after sending. Very, very cool. And they will also have a group indicator of typing within group messages. As of now, when you send a message, there is no typing indicator when you send a group message, only in individual messages. You can also mark messages as unread, which is similar to email, and we may actually see all of these features also come to macOS, which would be very nice. Now, they also list that the Activity app will be updated to show movement time rather than calories burned for kids specifically, which is more geared towards their activities. Adults like to see their calories burned, so that is another feature coming to Activity on the iPhone. Now, one of the cool features is with Augmented Reality. As you can see these QR screens here in the video, there is an app codenamed Gobi, which will allow you to get more information about items around you in the real world using QR codes, allowing for specific real-world experiences based on where you are in the world. So this could be as simple as scanning one of these QR codes and actually seeing information about a Mac in an Apple store, for example, or walking into a restaurant and scanning their QR code to see a little bit about the restaurant on Yelp or something like that. Very cool. Now, the ability to use third-party apps as defaults versus Apple applications may be coming in iOS 14. This would be similar to macOS, and you could use Google Maps as your default instead of Apple Maps, for example, so I'm looking forward to that feature. They may also add sleep tracking in iOS, which would be really handy, especially with Apple Watch integration. I currently use a third-party app for my own device, so it would be great to see this come to the iPhone with iOS 14. A feature that is not essential but would be nice to see on iOS 14 is in Safari website translation right on your device, something that would definitely become handy if you come across a website in a foreign language from your default. Something that may drastically change the iPad is Xcode. Xcode. Xcode may be coming to iPads, and this is going to be a feature that would allow it to more closely act as a laptop replacement, so it's going to be interesting to see here what they do. It is worth noting that they had hidden code for this in iOS 13, so maybe we'll see that come to the iPad with Xcode. Now, you can also use Find My iPhone to track your children when they are dropped off at a location, something that could be handy if you're concerned about your child's whereabouts. Carplay is getting updated apparently in iOS 14 to allow custom wallpapers and dark mode, which would be really cool, as I know a lot of people like CarPlay in your car, and it would be nice to see them give it extra features. Now, they also have mockups here on Mac Rumors, but Car Key may be coming, which is a feature that will allow you to lock, unlock, and start a car with NFC capability. Now, some car manufacturers already support this, but this would be cool to see Apple implement it natively into iOS. Now, there is a section about new HomeKit features. HomeKit may allow for night shift with your smart lights that you have implemented into your device, as well as facial recognition similar to Face ID on cameras, which is really cool. iOS 14 is also rumored to have native wallpaper management that could be implemented directly into iOS in the Settings app, which would be really cool. Rather than downloading a third-party wallpaper application, you could change using third-party applications right in the Settings app. In terms of compatibility for iOS 14 should be compatible with all devices that currently run iOS 13, which is definitely good if you have been holding on to your old device for quite some time now. iPadOS 14 should be compatible with all iPads that run iOS 13, except the iPad Mini 4 from September 2015 and the iPad Air 2 from October 2014. If you do have those devices, keep in mind these are just rumors, but that is actually what's being predicted. And as always, lastly, with the iOS 13.5 jailbreak, there are going to be some features that we simply don't know if Apple will implement them, but there are so many tweaks out there in the jailbreak community that maybe Apple will surprise us with one or two of those, moving it over to the iOS 14 natively. So that, my friends, is the quick rundown of features. Now again, these features come from the Mac Rumors list of the best rumored features to be coming to iOS 14 in a few weeks when they release the first beta to developers. I'd personally love to hear which features you would like to see, so drop me a comment in the comments section with your most wanted features, and leave me any questions you may have there as well. Again, I will be doing a hands-on review of the beta software that is released in a few weeks, so stick around for those reviews. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel with bell notifications on to be notified when I upload. I really appreciate it, guys, and as a thank you for watching, I've linked some good deals and rewards for you guys, as well as the tech that I am currently using in the description if you would like to grab some great products at a discount, so give those a click. New videos every Tuesday, so check back then each week, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, my website, and my social media in the description to see what I'm up to in the meantime. Thanks again, and as always, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.